Hey you guys, what's up? So it is that time of the month again. The Ipsy Boxycharm box is here. So if you would like to see what's inside this month's box, then just stay tuned. Merry Christmas, you guys. I cannot believe that the year is almost over. Where has it gone? I feel like they just speed up and get faster and faster and faster. Ugh, it's so gross. All right, so the first thing in this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box is our little Boxycharm newsletter. And on the inside, it has some December featured faves, favorite products, tips, and tricks. All right, so the first product inside this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box is the Dermalactive's Triple Power Collagen Moisturizer. And this product promotes elastin as well as collagen rejuvenation. So not only is it going to moisturize, but it's also going to bounce that skin back into place. And if you struggle with any like wrinkles or you start to see a little bit of sagging like I do, this is going to help promote that collagen rejuvenation and really make things tight and firm again. Next in the Ipsy Boxycharm box, we've got the Natasha Denona Rose and Wood palette. This is a stunning little palette, and I really wish I would have had this palette when I did my Natasha Denona look the other day. I literally used every single Natasha Denona palette that I own to create a look, and it would have been cool to have this one as well. This is such a pretty palette. I'm just going to swatch some of these for you guys so you can see exactly what we are working with. Hell, let me just go ahead and swatch all of them real quick. Okay, so sorry, these are way out of order, but you guys get the gist of it. Super pretty little neutral palette. Next in the Boxycharm box, we've got the Ofra Verified Liquid Liner. You guys, this liquid liner is so good. It is what I used to create this graphic liner on my eyes today. There's what it looks like, and it just creates the finest lines, and you can also make them thicker as well with a little bit of pressure. So in love. Next in the box, we've got the iconic London Triple Threat Mascara, and this is in the shade Brown. It looks a little something like this. It's got that iconic London packaging, very sleek, very shiny. And there is what the product looks like and the wand as well. And I do have this on my lashes today. It's kind of hard to see because I do have false lashes on, but I did just kind of rub this product throughout the false lashes as well. And in person, you can kind of see a hint of brown. It is very pretty. And last but not least, in this month's Boxycharm box, we've got the Thebriabeauty, the Perfect Lip Combo. And this is in the shade 1986. You guys, I love this product. One end is a lip liner and the other end is our gloss. Very pretty. Well, that is it, you guys. Let me know down in the comments below what product was your favorite or which one you hope to receive inside your Boxycharm box. With the Boxycharm option, you get 5 full-size products. Members choose 3 products. Everything in the box is worth up to $200, and it's only $30 a month. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another Boxycharm box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.